Hey, what's up? I'm Lux, and Valve just released a new update with the Antwerp major stickers. And honestly, the stickers are quite shocking, so let's directly take a look at all of the items released regarding the new major. We have the Legend, Challenger and Contenders capsules with the team stickers. In addition, there are now signature capsules again from the beginning for all the players. So you can also buy the viewer pass to do the pick'em challenge and to redeem coins for the souvenir packs. By completing the tasks, you can get up to 3 souvenir coins, or you just simply buy as many coins as you want with cash. Surprisingly, we have not received any new patch packs. Until now, these are exclusive to Stockholm. This change was also directly reflected in the price. There is actually no patch item that has not increased in price by 50 to 100%. Now we come to the most interesting part, the team stickers. As you can see, the Antwerp look exactly like the Stockholm stickers. The Stockholm investors' nightmare come true. Valve just copy and pasted from Stockholm and figured that we will buy the stickers anyway, so why they should put effort in it. Apart from the shape of the stickers, some parts at least have changed. First, there are no more foil stickers. They have been replaced by glitter stickers. I think the glitter fit in the demand picture similar to the foil. There are some good looking ones, such as Cloud9, but for the most part, the glitter are nothing special, similar to the foil. Much more interesting is the fact that not the glitter has got the pink rarity level, but the holos. This means that the holos are 5 times rarer than they were with the Stockholm, which should give some hope to the people who are still invested in Stockholm. Because the holos have always been the most popular stickers, and now 5 times more cases must be opened to get the same supply of holos. Result? The price tag of the holos will be higher with the Antwerp stickers. Consequently, the question arises, which sticker do you buy? The 5 times rarer sticker that costs at least double from Antwerp, or the absolutely identical looking sticker from Stockholm? I think the answer is clear. And so, at least until the sale, the price of the holos from Stockholm will slowly adapt to the prices of the Antwerp holo stickers. That is why I do not recommend you to panic sell your Stockholm investment right now. Take your time and think carefully if the Stockholm really lost their entire USP. I wouldn't say so, since there are still very popular stickers like Mouse and Entropic, which do not participate in the upcoming major. Additionally, they have a very low supply and they got the foils, although they are not the most demanded ones, but still. So what do you think? You just want to get rid of the Stockholms, or do you still believe in them? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, have a great day, and remember, short-term panic sales are the profits of the long-term investors. Bye bye.